Hey guys, what's up? So today I replaced the radiator in the 335, and I thought I'd film a little video showing how to bleed the cooling system once that was done. Whether you replace the radiator, hose, or any of that, you need to bleed the cooling system afterwards. So let's jump into how to do that. After you either, change the hose or expansion tank or the radiator itself, you want to fill it with a 50-50 mix. I used some BMW coolant and some distilled water. Filled it all the way up to the top. There's a rod that comes out, as you can see in the diagram, to about here. My cooling expansion tank is missing it for some reason, but just make sure that that rod is all the way out. You unscrew that bleeder screw. You let all the air come out as you're pouring it in. Tighten up that screw, and we're just going to place the cap back on top. And now we're going to show what we do next. This is just a quick note. It's not something that you have to do, but I do have it on a battery charger. It's about a 10-12 minute process, so it can drain the battery, especially if your battery's older and it's not a newer one that's nice and healthy. You don't have to, but it's always nice to have, so just throw it on a charger if you can. So let's jump into the car now. Alright guys, so now that we're in the car, we're going to turn everything on. We are going to go ahead and put the fan on the lowest speed setting. We're going to turn the heat all the way up to 84. And then what we're going to do next is hold the accelerator pedal all the way down for 12 seconds. If you have an automatic, you can feel that kick down switch. Make sure you feel that. If it's a manual, just all the way down. So once those 12 seconds go by, we're going to come out here and hear the cooling pump doing its job. I'm going to be quiet, see if I can capture it for you guys. Yeah, you can hear it right there. Circulating water. It's going to do this on and off for about 12 minutes. So I would just put a timer, and then after that, it's all going to be done. You'll hear it stop. You can have the cap on or cap off. You'll see through here, it'll be circulating coolant through here. It gets more and more aggressive or less aggressive, just depending on how those bubbles work out of the system. So yeah, guys, I'm going to let this work through, and then we'll get to the end of it. So after your 12 minutes, you'll notice that the water pump has stopped cycling. You don't hear it coming on and off anymore. So what we're going to do is come over to the coolant expansion tank. And what you're going to have noticed is that the level has dropped quite significantly, and that's the air bubbles being worked out of the system. So what you want to do is just top it off with coolant until the rod's out the top, just like in the diagram over there. Tighten the cap, and you're all good to go, guys. You can get in the car and drive it down the road. So it's that simple. This will work on just about any BMW, roughly in America, 2006 and up, anything that has an electric water pump. And yeah, if you guys like the video, feel free to subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time.